Hey my tinies, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am literally so tiny. I am 4'10" and on my good days I am 4'11". And you know it, I do not have a lot of those good days. So let's not talk about it. But anyways, today's look is gonna be on this plum berry look with a little bit of a glitter. I don't know, can you see that cute little like glitter sparkles? And today I used this Colony by, girl, you know it, siempre estoy hablando de este makeup brand, ya lo deben de saber, but you guys should know about this already. Midas Cosmetics. I am constantly talking and raving about this brand. They got glitters, they got palettes, they got a whole bunch of good stuff coming out, and I will not be saying because, girl, you best believe I need to get on that bandwagon again because I had almost gotten most of their things on their page, but now, girl, Rocio came out with some new shit in here, and let me tell you, girl, you are hitting it off the park because literally my wallet is empty right now. And after I start working and get some more money, you best believe I'm gonna get on that. But anyways, like I said, guys, use Tanya's code to get 20% off, and girl, you know it, you'd be amazing. The palettes are so pigmented and everything. But with that being said, today's look is on this plum berry, and this is how it looks. So how about I just shut up and that was my daughter. How about I just shut up and how about we just get right into this video. Alright my teddies, so we're going to start off by using Ace Beauty Paradise Fallen palette, and we are going to use this cypress tree, and we're going to be using the Morphe M506 brush, and all we're going to be doing is literally just patting it onto our crease line and above our crease line. So we're just going to pat it all the way around until you get the pigmentation, and you're gonna also, when you pat everything in there, you're also gonna just blend it out a little just to get that nice blend that you want. So now we're going to be using the same palette, and we're going to use this shade Pure, and we are going to use the Morphe M506 brush as well, and we're just gonna blend it out just right above it. And I'm sorry that my phone didn't get it. I don't know, for some reason it just didn't focus in this part, but it will eventually focus, and so I am really sorry for that, guys, but I promise you it will focus so you guys can see. But just blend it out to get what you guys desire. We're gonna take this Maybelline concealer and this Princessa flat round brush that I got from a website for $1. I can't remember what the website is, but you're just gonna take your time and just pat it down. And literally the only reason why I look up is that way, like when my eyelid touches my upper eye or whatever, it doesn't transfer. That way I can cut my crease all the way. That way my shades don't transfer and I have that nice, beautiful, you know, look and everything. We're going to take this Be Bella Pro and we're going to take this beautiful teal shimmer and we're just going to pat it down on our cut crease. Make sure you do not set it, guys, as well. We want it to be tacky, that way this shade can like be pigmented. So literally just use small patting motions and yeah, literally just use patting motions the whole time. Just pack it on till you get the pigmentation that you desire, guys. So now I'm using the Midas Cosmetics Colony Glitter, and I'm going to be using the glitter primer just to get everything, and we're going to be putting this in our inner corner. Now this glitter has some beautiful stars and some glitter as well, so it has the best of both worlds, guys. Now as you can see, I'm using a really small precise brush that I absolutely love, and it's so beautiful. I absolutely love this glitter. I do recommend getting it, guys, because it's only, I believe, $1.50, but I guess you can buy the bundle for $15, which is an amazing deal. And you can also use Tanya to get some money off. But with that being said, y'all, this is the look that I came up with. I absolutely love it, and yeah, it turned out so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to share my videos. Let's get me to 2,000 followers, guys, so I can finally get my own beauty room. My husband said if I get 2,000 subscribers, we will turn my closet, our walk-in closet, into my beauty room. So guys, make this dream happen. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, my tinies. Mwah.